What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video, and today we are pushing our problems aside to go ahead and go over some of the stuff in the tank while I actually, just clean it and everything. And I decided to redo the tank, so I figured this would be a great time to do it. So starting off, we're going to start off with this top. I bought this top separately, and as you can see, it has a trap door. It's actually a Zilla top with a trap door, nothing crazy. I got it for like 30 bucks at Wet and Pet Reptile Center, but yeah. And of course, as we go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and start to take out all this stuff. This is just like some fake plants that I got from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. And if you guys remember Jafar, that piece of wood that is wrapped around actually came out of Jafar's tank. That was another snake from an old friend that I had. But yeah. Alright, so as I knock out the dirt out of this thing, my Orochi seems to really like this a lot, but this is actually a Zilla tree, and as you can see, I got it from Petco. Nothing really too much to say about it. It's got little like holes all in it for the snake to crawl all through. As you can see, that's what I'm showing you right now, and it seems like he really enjoys it, so that's what I got. Now this is actually the hive for his cold side, and I really like it a lot because it's nice and big and it's gonna stay with him for a while. I don't remember what company it came from. I think it's Thrive. I know it's not a Zilla product, but either way, I got it from Petco. They pretty much are in every Petco, and yeah, as you can see, it's nice and big. I mean, he really likes it because it's one of those things where he can go in there and go in the corner and everything's gonna be pitch black dark. So that's really nice, and I just like to throw some Eco Earth on top of it. That's why you see me keep like hitting it off, because of course I'm going to be cleaning it. But yeah, and there's absolutely nothing special about this. This is just a water dish from Petco. It is big enough for him to soak in as of right now. I am going to have to get something bigger after a while, but yeah. And pretty much from here, nothing crazy. I'm just going to go ahead and start removing all the dirt from that side, and it's just Eco Earth coconut fiber, so yeah. Alright, so now that I did it on that side, I'm going to show you guys what the background is. And this isn't anything crazy. I got it for about $30–40 at Petco, but this is a Thrive temperate 3D slate background. I literally saw it in the aisle when I was just getting some more Eco Earth, so that's what that is. I figured it'd be a good way to black out the back side of the tank and just make the snake feel more secure, because that's the whole reason why I'm even doing this whole thing, is to just make the snake feel more secure. Alright, so as you can see, I've already gone ahead and did the left side and put the cold hide back over there, and now this is my pinstripe pet pied ball python Orochi. Yes, he is named after Orochimaru from Naruto, the show. I am a huge nerd, in case you can't tell from Natsu and Hinata and Naruto back there in the background, and if you're new to my channel. But that's my snake. I got this little like bin off Amazon just to put him in. I just put a hide in there just in case he wants to hide out. But right here, I actually forgot I didn't even show you guys him. So here's a little bit of just a closer look at him. I've had him for about a little over a month now. Well, actually 2 months now. He just started eating around a month and about like a week and a half. He had just started to eat, so he didn't eat for the first month that I had him, which I was stressing about it, but if you know ball pythons, it happens. Yeah, I just had to do stuff just to make him feel more secure so he could eat. Right here, I'm taking out all the dirt and everything from the right side, but right there, that is a 20-gallon, well, that's a Zilla heat mat for a 20-gallon tank. It's just there. I do have a temperature gauge, but that's actually connected to the thermometer right there, and it's just a thermometer I got off Amazon. It was cheap, it was like 20 bucks. And my thermostat actually sits inside of the hot hide, so I know how hot it is on the inside. But I finally figured it out. I got the tree facing back because of where the trapdoor is. I don't really want him having access to that trapdoor, even though he can't lift it anyway. But as you can see, there's all kinds of ways he can get in and around. There's all kinds of passages on the bottom. He can go up top, and I'm just wrapping some of these like fake vines that I got from Michael's around, putting some water in there, and now we're gonna go ahead and release him. That's what you guys saw right there. And that's pretty much it. I'm just hiding all the wires now, put everything back, and boom, this is your final product. I am very happy with how it came out. There's all kinds of little, as you guys saw, there's all kinds of little like holes and everything he can crawl in between. I'm really happy with it. He loves it, and this is pretty much your update. So as always, guys, you stay classy, you stay positive, and have a good day.